Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add favicon in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as you can see, right now I don't have any favicon in my WordPress website. Now let's see how to add favicon. So after opening your website, click on Customize. And then click on General Settings, Site Identity, and scroll down. Then here you'll find this option, Site Icon. Click on Select Site Icon, and now here you have to upload the icon from your PC. So I already uploaded the icon, so my icon are showing up in my media library. So I'm selecting this one and clicking on Select. So you can crop this icon from here. So I'm skipping the cropping, and now I'm clicking on Publish. And now if I open my website again, and here we can see my favicon has been added into my WordPress website. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.